We've got to talk. Yes, that's the stock grill. We've got to talk. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, or just watch this guy.
Wait, no.
Like Ike. Share like Sonny Bono before you hit the tree. Comment like the meteor's crashing down on you. And ring the bell like LL, because it's cool even though he's not a J. Okay?
Just put it this way, the next chapter of the build, it's going to be interesting. And I know you're wondering why the stock grill. Alright guys, so sorry about the light if you can't see me. So I'm actually walking to Enterprise Rent-A-Car. Got some bad news about the Genesis. It's got to go. And I will tell you guys why when we get back. But that doesn't mean the project is done. That doesn't mean that the motor build and everything like that is done. Just that Genesis Coupe. It was a rough day yesterday, so we'll talk. Right now though, I'm on my way to Enterprise to pick up a rental car. Yay me. Why me? Yeah, so talk to you guys when I get back. We're there. It's about 1.5 miles away and I gotta walk. So I'm gonna walk that way. Alright guys, so I just picked up the rental car for now, and guess what? You know I'm not gonna be a trader. Hyundai for life, son. Alright, so I gotta drive and go talk to Elisa's parents, and then I'll talk to you guys later. So I just got a call, and Thursday morning somebody's coming to look at the car. And basically what happened, and I'll show you guys when I get home. For work, I was driving back from New Jersey, heavy rainstorm, and the back end going around a corner doing less than the speed limit. And when I say less, I mean the speed limit was 65 miles an hour and I was doing 50. And the back end swung out and I was headed towards the guardrail in the center lane, and rather than hit that, I literally whipped the car around because I was going to hit anyway. And fortunately, the back end of the car hit the guardrail on the side, on the passenger side anyway. As far as, you know, the side of the road. So the whole back end is, the car's totaled. I basically can say that. I'll show you guys when I get home again, but I don't want you guys to worry, because you know I have that motor and stuff and all those parts sitting in the garage. Guess what? Ride or die, I'm getting another Genesis Coupe, and that stuff is going in. I don't care. I don't care what anybody says. I love that car, and I'm not gonna lie, I started taking off parts this morning and I cried. Not a whole lot, but you know, manly cry, because it sucked, because all that work for me, that car, you know, I don't want to say not everything goes right in my life, but like there are very few things that I can say I did that, or like I'm proud of. Obviously I'm proud of my daughter, I'm proud of Lisa, things like that, but this car basically it represented something that I did by myself, and that I was able to accomplish, and so that's why it was upsetting. But this is not no part outs. Just saying. So I'm when I get home, I'll show you guys that, and we'll go from there. But again, stay tuned, because, like I say, make no limitation your only limitation. I don't have a limitation. I'm getting another Genesis Coupe for sure, 2-liter. Even though I'm gonna rip that motor out and put the one I built in anyway. So I'll talk to you guys in a little. Alright guys, so I'm home. Before I show you this, if there are any small children in the room, you might want to cover your eyes, or anybody with a weak stomach. because you're about to see why the Genesis is going. Sure you want to see this? Yep, that's the car I got. Yeah, so that's why the Genesis is going. But don't fret, I'm already in a search for another one. I found actually two, so I'm going to work on that, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll have another Genesis Coupe. I'm taking off all the parts and things like that, which I started doing earlier today, and that's the reason why everything is going back to stock and things like that. I'm grabbing everything off that I can. The whole exhaust is going to come off, obviously this, that. Front mount is thundering, and the insurance guy is coming on Thursday, so I can't do anything else tonight. I gotta take off these two wheels. Maybe I'll do that now, and I already swapped out the computer and things like that. So let me know what you guys think about this video. I know it's upsetting. It's upsetting to me too, so yeah, not much I can do. Wheels are still good and things like that, so those will go on the next Genesis, and we'll go from there. Continue the build, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Come back and watch. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for supporting me. And I am okay, so that's that. It's kind of funny. The lights actually still work, which is hilarious. But you know, it is what it is. I guess I solved the water going into the trunk issue. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think about this video. Until next time, like, share, comment, subscribe, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace. Alright guys, so anyway, I'm still removing all the parts, the things like that. And like I said, I kept all the original parts there. Those are the parts I've already taken off so far. And then obviously I got the exhaust, stock exhaust right there, things like that. That's all going to go back on the car. The insurance adjuster, again, he's coming on Thursday, so I'm trying to take off all my stuff, put all the stock stuff back on, just so I don't lose it again. So when I get the other Genesis Coupe, it can go on. Hopefully they didn't sell the one I found, one of them that I found, because it's literally the exact same car, except the 2012, and the interior is it's black on black. So that's the only thing that's different, is a black on black interior, but it's a Genesis Coupe Rspec, things like that. So let me know what you guys think. Damn. Hopefully I can take these off, and once the insurance guy comes, and keep them. Hopefully. Just in case I get a Genesis Coupe that's not an Rspec. I want the Brem. And there you guys have it. That stuff right there in the corner is everything I took off the car. Obviously the wheels and tires. The tires got to go anyway, at least the rear ones, because those were bad, and more than likely probably what helped cause the accident. So those are actually the stock springs. Obviously I'm not going to take the springs off. The only thing I have left on the car to take off is the exhaust, which one side is bent but the other side is not. And the reason why I'm keeping that exhaust is because, again, that particular exhaust and what I did has such a unique sound that it's worth fixing. So I'm going to fix that exhaust, get it rebent, and go from there. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, it's kind of depressing, and also it's kind of weird because the car is pretty much back to stock. Again, the only thing I have to take off is the exhaust and the Megan Racing tranny mount, and that's it. And then it's back to the way I bought it, pretty much, except the back end is a little messed up. But you know, Hyundai for life, son. Hyundai for life. What? Project continues.